Welcome to Retirement Planning Tools and Resources for All Ages, a webinar from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or CFPB, regulates the offering and provision of consumer financial products and services under the federal consumer financial laws and educates and empowers consumers to make better informed financial decisions. We recognize that libraries are a trusted community resource and that patrons often come to you with questions about a variety of topics, including financial planning. The CFPB supports librarians by providing free publications, access to online financial education tools, program ideas, outreach materials, a partnership guidebook, and training webinars like this one, so that you can guide patrons to reputable resources for information on financial topics. You do not need to be a financial expert in order to share recommendations on trusted resources or to provide handouts and other printed materials in your library. Planning for retirement should be part of the financial picture for everyone in America, though many may not understand strategies for saving or what retirement benefits they may be entitled to. The purpose of today's webinar is to better prepare you for questions about retirement planning by providing a quick overview of retirement planning principles and then introducing you to some trusted resources you may be interested in directing patrons to. In this webinar, we discuss resources provided by the CFPB as well as other federal agencies. This resource guide is provided for informational purposes and includes links and references to third-party resources or content that consumers may find helpful. The Bureau does not endorse, control, or guarantee the accuracy of this third-party information. Other entities and resources also may meet the needs of your patrons. Retirement happens at the end of a person's working life, whether they stop working altogether, continue a reduced working schedule, start a new endeavor, or cannot continue to work because of health or other reasons. For Americans, retirement typically lasts 20 years or more, and many people have questions about how to make their money last throughout their lifetime. Retirement is a major life event, and it is important that people of all ages get the information they need to plan effectively. Let's quickly review three main components of retirement income and savings: Social Security retirement benefits, employer pensions or retirement plans, and personal savings and investments. Employed and self-employed people pay into the Social Security system, which provides benefits in the event of death or disability before retirement, as well as retirement payments to workers and their spouses. Social Security replaces a percentage of a worker's pre-retirement income based on their lifetime earnings. The amount an individual receives varies depending on an individual's earnings and when they choose to start receiving benefits. Full retirement age is the age at which a person becomes entitled to full retirement benefits from the Social Security Administration. There has been a phased increase in the full retirement age. For those born in 1954 and before, it is age 66, while for those born in 1960 and later, it is age 67. At this time, an individual can choose to begin receiving Social Security retirement benefits anytime between the ages of 62 and 70. Those who begin collecting before their full retirement age will receive a reduced monthly benefit for life, while those who delay claiming until after they reach full retirement age may be eligible for an increased monthly benefit. Many factors affect an individual's Social Security retirement payments, and the Social Security Administration tracks the benefits carefully and provides benefit estimates and account statements. Next, let's look at retirement plans offered by employers. Pensions, also called defined benefit plans, promise to pay a specified amount of monthly income once a person has earned a benefit and ended their employment. While these plans used to be fairly common, very few employers offer pension plans today. Many employees have access to 401k type plans, which are called defined contribution plans. Generally, these are retirement savings accounts in which employees can make tax-deferred contributions straight from their paycheck. But there are also Roth 401k plans, in which employees make after-tax contributions. Most employers offer matching contributions to an employee's 401k up to a certain percentage. Because these plans and their investments vary from employer to employer, individuals should consult their own HR departments for details of their plans. Generally, people with a balance in a 401k type plan can log into their accounts online to check their information, whether they are considering how much to save in the plan, whether to move the money to another 401k or another account, or when to begin spending their accumulated balance in retirement. The service provider of the 401k type plan will also offer educational resources on the different investment options offered to employees. In addition to Social Security retirement benefits and employer-sponsored plans, some people turn to other sources for money in retirement. They may have saved money in individual retirement accounts, such as IRAs and Roth IRAs, or in general savings accounts, certificates of deposit or CDs, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate investments, and annuities. Even though most working-age people in America plan to retire someday, some may struggle to save for retirement because it seems far in the future, or current financial needs are more urgent. No matter what age a person is, however, the best time to start saving is now, even if they start with a small amount. When a library patron approaches you requesting information and resources about retirement, they may be close to making a vital decision or taking action that will have tremendous impact on their ability to retire securely. Fortunately, there are a number of unbiased resources you can direct patrons to that assist individuals at any stage of retirement planning. Let's first take a look at the retirement planning resources available on the CFPB website, www.consumerfinance.gov. While there are many websites that offer articles and information on financial topics, the CFPB is a government agency that provides unbiased, reliable, and advertising-free information. Under the Consumer Tools section, you will find a menu of financial topics. In today's webinar, we will focus on the section titled Planning for Retirement. On this page, you will find links to articles and tools on topics related to retirement income, your home and retirement, planning for the future, and managing debt. Because of the CFPB's mission, many of these resources focus on ways an individual can make informed financial decisions. The question and answer format of many of these resources make them skimmable and a fast reference for addressing retirement questions. You can use these resources as you coordinate workshops on financial planning and retirement, or you may direct patrons to the website for their own reading and information. Within the articles on the Planning for Retirement page, you will find free resources on different topics that you can hand out at workshops or feature around your library. You can download them from the website or order them in bulk for free. Many are available in both English and Spanish. Topics include saving for retirement, pensions, financial advisors, reverse mortgages, financial caregiving, and fraud and scam prevention. In addition to the articles and handouts on the Planning for Retirement page, there is a tool for planning your Social Security claiming age. It includes a calculator where the user inputs their date of birth and highest annual work income to receive a rough estimate of their Social Security retirement benefits. The user can then adjust their claiming age to compare how much they will receive. The tool also allows the user to answer additional questions to view advice about their specific situation and plans. It is important to note that patrons should always be careful when entering personally identifiable information on any website, especially if they are using public Wi-Fi. This tool on the CFPB website does not link to a user's Social Security records, which limits the risk that its use will contribute to identity theft. But if users access it using public Wi-Fi, they should be aware others may be able to view the information they enter. The CFPB website has additional resources that may be helpful for patrons who have already retired or have older family members or friends whom they help with their finances. The page titled Working with Older Adults has resources that go beyond retirement planning and include tools for later life financial security, protecting against fraud, and managing someone else's money. As you explore this page, you'll find blog articles, videos, discussion guides, and even financial education placemats you may want to feature around your library. As a librarian, you will also be interested in the Library Resources page, where the CFPB has consolidated many resources targeted for librarians and library patrons. Here you will find free publications for bulk order, online financial education tools, program ideas, outreach materials, webinars, and a community partnership guidebook. These resources help you guide your patrons to trusted information and resources. Let's quickly look at how to find retirement-related publications on the website. Click the link to Order Free Publications at pueblo.gpo.gov. You can then browse the categories available or type in the search bar. Under the Retirement category, you'll see several publications available in English and Spanish. Items are available for download or bulk order and are free. The CFPB is not the only federal government agency with resources available to assist with retirement planning. The Employee Benefits Security Administration, EBSA, is an agency within the United States Department of Labor that was created to administer, regulate, and enforce the laws that surround workplace retirement and health benefits, which are an important part of many Americans' retirement plans. EBSA also works to educate the public on saving for retirement, retirement itself, and health plan protection under the law. One way they do this is through conducting workshops on retirement benefits and planning. You can contact your EBSA regional office if you are interested in coordinating a workshop for your library. EBSA employs benefits advisors to answer individuals' questions about maximizing their benefits or their rights and responsibilities associated with a workplace retirement or health plan. They can also respond to complaints and assist with resolving workplace benefits problems. If patrons have any questions or issues relating to their workplace benefits, they should contact an EBSA benefits advisor by phone or through their online assistance service. This free service is available for anyone, and the EBSA phone line has translators available so that they can take calls in any language. In addition to providing direct assistance, EBSA has a number of resources and publications available for free online. Topics include 401k and IRA plans, retirement and healthcare benefits, job loss, retirement planning, and maximizing your retirement savings. Individuals who have retirement savings in an investment account may have questions about their investment options and how to manage their money within retirement plans. The website www.investor.gov, managed by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's Office of Investor Education, has articles and tools to assist individuals to make sound investment decisions. In addition to articles related to investment basics, retirement plans, methods of investing, how to research investment options, and avoiding fraud. The website features free financial planning calculators and a search tool for checking the background of investment professionals. As mentioned earlier, the Social Security Administration tracks benefits for all workers in the system. Your patrons may have questions about their Social Security retirement benefits, such as, am I eligible to receive Social Security retirement benefits? If so, when will I start receiving benefits? How much will I receive? The answers to these questions will be unique to each individual, as Social Security benefits vary based on factors such as how much money an individual made while working, what age they begin receiving Social Security retirement benefits, and inflation. Fortunately, the Social Security Administration has created My Social Security, an online portal where an individual can use a variety of retirement calculators, view their Social Security statements, check their earnings record, and more. The tools available on My Social Security help people approaching retirement age make informed decisions about their Social Security benefits and retirement plans. The Social Security Administration recommends that individuals create a My Social Security account to prevent identity thieves from creating ones using stolen Social Security numbers. To encourage account creation, the Social Security Administration partners with libraries to conduct My Social Security sign-up events and workshops. Workshops will center on the resources available on the My Social Security portal and other retirement saving information. If you're interested in organizing an event like this in your community, complete the Ask for a Speaker form on the Social Security Administration website. Healthcare can be one of the largest expenses in retirement, so it's important that older Americans understand Medicare, what it is, what plan is best for them, when and how to enroll, and what is and is not covered. In today's webinar, we will not cover details of managing medical coverage through Medicare, but if patrons have questions about Medicare, they should go to the Medicare website, www.medicare.gov. On this website, they will find information on how to sign up and change plans, Medicare costs, Medicare coverage, drug coverage, also known as Medicare Part D, supplemental insurance, and the claims and appeals process. Representatives can also be reached by phone at 1-800-MEDICARE. Each state has a State Health Insurance Assistance Program, SHIP, that provides resources and information to help individuals navigate the complexities of Medicare. Patrons can contact their local SHIP for in-depth, one-on-one insurance counseling and assistance with Medicare. Or you can contact your local SHIP to provide a representative for workshops on Medicare. To locate your local SHIP, you can call the SHIP National Technical Assistance Center or use the locator on their website. Many older Americans need long-term care at some point in their lives to assist with personal care and everyday tasks, and individuals may have questions about how to incorporate long-term care costs into their retirement planning. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services has a website dedicated to answering questions about long-term care and resources for finding local support services. Now that we have introduced a number of free, unbiased resources related to retirement planning, let's walk through some common questions patrons may have and appropriate resources you can direct them to in order to answer these questions. Individuals beginning their working career are likely to have questions about starting a retirement savings plan. If their employer offers a plan, they should talk with their HR department about plan details. And they can do additional research on plan types on the EBSA and SEC websites. Since they are starting to pay into the Social Security system, new workers may also be interested in creating a My Social Security account. Individuals in the middle of their career may be interested in reviewing their investments and how they have allocated their assets. The SEC website has resources to guide individuals through investment decisions. Individuals who are within 10 years of retirement should be making more detailed plans for their financial future in retirement. The EBSA booklet, Taking the Mystery Out of Retirement, was specifically designed to assist individuals in this period of life take stock of their current retirement savings and set financial goals for the remaining years they plan to work. As part of this process, they may be interested in talking with their retirement plan service provider to determine if they are on target to reach their retirement goals. As an individual nears retirement age, they may also want to consider how the age they retire will affect their Social Security retirement benefits. They can use the CFPB Planning Your Social Security Claiming Age tool or tools available through their My Social Security account to view estimates of the benefits they will receive at different ages. Once an individual retires, they may be interested in learning more about how to manage their money so that it lasts through their lifetime. The SEC and CFPB websites both have articles relating to this topic. Healthcare and long-term care costs may be an increasing concern for individuals nearing retirement or in retirement. The Medicare website and your state health insurance information program have information and tools to assist with navigating Medicare. The resources at www.longtermcare.gov can help with questions regarding long-term care. Individuals who take over caregiving responsibility for older adults may also be interested in the CFPB Guide to Managing Someone Else's Money. Although this issue is not directly related to retirement planning, there are a number of resources dedicated to protecting older adults from fraud and financial exploitation. The CFPB and Federal Trade Commission both offer tools to help individuals spot, avoid, and protect against fraud. This brings us to the conclusion of our webinar on retirement planning and resources for all ages. This is not a comprehensive list of retirement planning resources available, but we hope it serves as a good starting point for you and your patrons as you direct them to information that can support their retirement stability and their peace of mind. For information on other financial topics, we invite you to explore the other tools available on the CFPB Library Resources website and check out additional CFPB videos and webinars on the CFPB Video YouTube channel.